Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Visual Studio and the NET SDK are installed. This gives you compilers and project templates. Once done, open Visual Studio and select Create a new project, then pick the C# console app template so you get a minimal runnable program. Make sure to name the project clearly and set a solution folder for organization. This prevents confusion later. You are now ready with a project shell and a program CS file where you will write the first lines of C#. Next, you add the actual code, open program, CS and implement a main method or top-level statements, include any using directives you need. Then inspect the project file to confirm the target framework matches your SDK. Change to net 6, 0 or net 7, 0 if required so dependencies compile correctly. Also, set the project as the startup project and pick debug or release and the correct platform. These steps ensure the build system knows what to compile. Finally, build the solution to compile your C# code and watch the error list. Fixing compile errors ensures a successful run. Once the build passes, run the app with F5 to debug or Control plus F5 to run without the debugger, observing console output and breakpoints as needed. If something goes wrong, make sure NuGet packages are restored, check the output window for specific messages, and rebuild. Often the fix is restoring packages or correcting a mismatched target framework, which resolves most run failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.